Welcome back to Epic Yarn Gems. Today we're going to be working on a half double crochet. Half double crochet is signified with HDC in patterns. So we are going to start today with our foundation chain like we've started our other projects. So to do the half double crochet, what you're going to do is you're going to start with a yarn over your hook. So what you'll do is you'll yarn over your hook, put your hook through the center of your chain, yarn over again, pull that through. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through again. So again, yarn over, through your chain, yarn over, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through again. And once you get into the rhythm of doing these half double crochets or any crochet stitch, they actually go a lot faster and you'll just become very good at it and it'll be second nature. So as you're doing the half double crochets, this is actually a stitch that is slightly taller than the single crochet. And as you continue to go through, I'm going to continue this half double crochet until the end of my chain. And as I had mentioned in other videos, sometimes going through this first initial foundation chain is actually the hardest part to do because the things that you're working on, they're a little flimsy and they move around quite a bit. But as we're coming to the end of our chain, what you're going to do is you're going to typically do a chain 2 to get going on the other direction. So as we finish up, we'll chain 2 and we will turn our work. You'll notice that there's V's on top again, and these are the V's that we're going to go into for the second row of the half double crochet. So we'll go into our first true stitch, not the chain, go under and 3 loops on your hook and pull through, same as we did on our foundation. As we continue to go across this row with our half double crochets, you're going to get more into the rhythm of doing them. Also, as you learn crochet, you're going to learn what's most comfortable for you. Another tip that I have is as you're doing your chains or your foundations or your stitches, it'll let you know how many you're supposed to do across. So one of the things as I started to do, and I still do, is count my stitches so that things end up nice and even. And they look good once you're doing different patterns in your hats and scarves and such. So as we finish up this row, we are going to just take a last stitch here, and we are going to find that on the end here. So we're going to yarn over, go through that last stitch, yarn over, and then yarn over the 3 loops on the hook. And that's the end of our row with our half double crochets. And this is what 2 rows of your half double crochets will look like. Thank you for joining me, and please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.